let us start creating table in design view in OpenOffice base. Okay, so how to create a table? We'll click on create table in design view. Type the field names. My first field is customer ID. Data type, it can be text or number or auto number, whatever I find appropriate. I would like to use the data type as number. Okay, customer 1 2 3 4 5 like that. So we can have number here. If you want, you can take auto number also. Then next is customer name. So customer underscore name. We avoid giving spaces in the field names. This would be text. What would be the text length? Text variable character means it can have any number of character, it varies. By default in OpenOffice it is 50, whereas in MS Access it is 255. So if I feel that name does not require 50, it requires only 30 characters, I can reduce the length here. Then next field, area. In which area the customer lives or what is the address of the customer. For area, of course, I will take text, and if the area is a small name like Vaishali Nagar, Mansarovar, etc., then 20 characters would be enough. Next, we go to the next field, policy number. When I go to policy number, this also would be text because the insurance policies have some alphabets and some numbers together. Maximum limit, I think 10 characters would be enough. Thereafter, insurance amount. What is the sum insured? Total sum insured, insurance amount. Now this insurance amount, it would be currency. It would be of course in numbers. So we can take numbers here. Now what kind of number we want? We can format it further. Look at this. We are working in OpenOffice base. So here I click on format example 3 dots. When I click on this, it will give me different options. I want currency, so I will use currency. Now currency in which format? I want rupees or I want INR with decimals or without decimals. We can pick from here what kind of number I want. So I would like to use this INR, this format. How many decimal places? 2. If I want 0 decimal places, I can make it 0 also. Right? So this way we can set the format for currency. Then next is premium amount. How much premium? That means how much installment the customer needs to pay once in a year or once in 6 months or every month. It depends on what plan the customer is choosing. Again, this should be a number, and what kind of number? Because it is amount, so I would take it currency in the same format and click OK. Then premium date. Premium, that means what is the last date to pay the premium. So date, of course, will take the date and time data type, and with date and time I can again select the format, what type of date I want. I can select the date format. There are so many formats available here. Okay, so suppose I want a format of this kind, 31 December 1999. So date will go in this format. Okay, the month name in 3 letters, the year in last 2 digits. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we
Yes,
click OK. See, you can see the format code here also. Date, month name in 3 letters and then year in 2 letters. It will go like this with space in between. So this format I am picking up for my premium date. Now my table designing is over. What should I do next? Yes class, what should I do now? I will save the design. So we click on save button.
check the worksheet when we.
Now after saving, we will type the table name because earlier I typed customer database, that was the name of the database file. Now I want to save the table, so I will save the table by a suitable name like customer info. Okay, I am giving customer policy info. Which customer has taken which policy, what is the insurance amount, the premium amount and the premium date for that customer. I am selecting that. So this is customer policy info. Okay, so now after typing the name, I click on OK. It is saying a primary key has to be defined. Should we create a primary key now? Yes, of course. Primary key is very important. So yes, which one is the primary key? यहाँ पे एक न्यू फील्ड ऐड हो गई है आईडी करके. अगर हमें इस फील्ड को प्राइमरी की नहीं बनाना है, एड ऑन फील्ड नहीं चाहिए, वी गो टू कस्टमर आईडी हियर और इसको हम राइट क्लिक करके वी कैन चूज प्राइमरी की एंड दिस की, दिस एक्स्ट्रा फील्ड which was added I can remove. Okay, I don't want this extra row, so I'll remove. My customer ID field is primary key. Now my database design is complete. We'll save it. And I have this as primary key. And now what will I do? I will go to the datasheet view. Okay. So we close this table and we go to datasheet view. This is my table. Double click and we get the datasheet view. Now here I can enter. Class, are you getting design view and datasheet view? Hello?
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, I was just saying that, ma'am, you have given the worksheet in homework when we will discuss that.
After this demo.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now customer name is SK Sharma. Area, write any area here. Then policy number, suppose it is CS234. Then what is the insurance amount? It is 2,40,000. Then what is the premium amount? How much premium he has to pay? It is 1,500. And what is the premium date? You see, जैसे ही मैं ये 1,500 टाइप करके आगे जा रही हूँ, अपने आप फॉर्मेट आ रहा है. In insurance amount, I made 0 decimal, so it is not giving decimal. In premium amount, I did not make 0 decimal, so 0 ये 2 decimal आ रहा है, and then INR format is applicable. Now comes the date. Now suppose the premium date is 25 April 2021. So I am typing it in normal date format, 25 April 2021, and when I press enter, it automatically changes to the prescribed format which I have given in the design. Got it?
Yes,
ma'am. We choose this date format, no? So I am typing it as a normal date and database is changing it to the prescribed format. Now next record, we can type any name here and the area is Shyamnagar. Now suppose the data is not visible. It doesn't mean कि इतनी जगह और इतना छोटा ही लिखना है. We go on this dividing line, you get four arrows, double click on it, maximum data के accordingly ये cell resize हो जाएंगे. Okay? If my data is longer, it will become longer. Okay? So cell size is not a problem. The cell size is defined by the field length which we have set in field properties. Now the next person has an insurance of 3 lakhs. Okay? The premium he has to pay is 3,000 per month. And when is the date? 12 May 2021. It goes like this. This is how you can enter records. Okay? Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
So you can add 10, 12 records in it, and then later on we will practice creating queries on that data. So this is 6 lakh and the premium paid is 6,500 and the date to pay the premium may be 5 May 2021. Record number 4. The insurance amount is 5 lakhs, premium paid is 6,000 and the due date maybe is 28 April. Next record, further. Now suppose this is an insurance agent and today he is going to work for all the customers in the Shyamnagar area. He will go to all those customers, collect the premium amount from them in cash and then he will go to LIC office and deposit all the premium amount gathered from here. So he wants a list of all the people, all his customers who are in Shyamnagar area. He wants a detail, जिसका एक प्रिंट आउट निकाल के वो चले जाएंगे श्यामनगर में. This customers are there. I have to go to their address. I have to collect this much premium from them and then I will pay it in the LIC office when the due date is coming nearer. So how will we get details of all customers living in Shyamnagar area? Yes. Can you tell me, class, how will we get the details? I want list of all customers in Shyamnagar area. I have 1,000 customers. From 1,000, I want list of all customers of Shyamnagar area. What will I do?
We will be using query.
Yes, we will create a query and we will search for all the records where the area is Shyamnagar. Okay. To create a query, we will click on this queries tab. In MS Access, we go to create tab and then query. Here we will go to this queries tab on the left side. Create query in design view. Which table I want for the query? I want customer policy info table. So add this table, close the window. Now we have this table here. What all fields I want? I want customer name, double click, it will be added here. I want the area, double click, it will be added here. Then I want policy number, insurance amount. No, I don't want this insurance amount. I want premium amount. Insurance amount को हम hide कर देते हैं, इसकी हमें जरूरत नहीं है. Okay? I want the premium amount. किस कस्टमर से कितना अमाउंट मुझे आज कलेक्ट करके लाना है? For that I want these details. So I have designed this query. The query design window has two parts. This is the area where we add tables and create relationship. And this is the query design area where I will add the field and the criteria. Now, I don't want all the customers, no. I want only the customers who are in Shyamnagar area. So here for area, I will give the criteria. What is the criteria? It will be given perfectly, otherwise it will create problems. Here, the area is Shyamnagar. In OpenOffice, we don't need double quotes here. When the area is Shyamnagar, it is giving this. Suppose I change the area. If I write Malviya Nagar, then run the query again. It will give me all records which belong to Malviya Nagar area. Did you get it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now suppose Shyamnagar area या Malviya Nagar area is area wise query नहीं चाहिए. I want to find out names of customers whose premium amount is more than 3,000. I don't want to filter according to this. Those whose premium amount is more than 3,000. So I am writing here greater than 3,000 in premium amount and let us check the query. Got it? If I search for less than 3,000, then it will give me the remaining records where the premium amount is less than 3,000. आया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us check the data here. Customer info. 1,500, 3,000, 6,500, 6,000, 10,000. Why it did not give this 3,000 data over there? Query में 3,000 वाला data क्यों नहीं आ रहा था? Because the criteria was less than 3,000. So equal to 3,000 नहीं था. So it will not give that. It will only check for less than 3,000. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, we edit the query. If I give here less than equal to both, okay, and save the query and run it, then it is giving 3,000 also. So is the database smart? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
It is intelligent and smart enough. It is following the instructions clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, when we are working with small databases, 5 records, 10 records, तो हमें लगता है कि यार ये इतनी सारी मेहनत क्यों कर रहे हैं, ये तो वैसे ही पता चल जाएगा कि श्यामनगर में ये 2 हैं, मालवीय नगर में ये 3 है, क्विकली हमें वैसे ही पता चल जाएगा. बट वी आर जस्ट लर्निंग द प्रोसेस, how to create, how to manage the database. Actual databases have thousands of records, lakhs of records. एक बैंक में कितने कस्टमर होंगे? They may be thousands. No? So when you want to work with thousands of records, then manually analyzing, filtering, sorting of data is very difficult. That time the databases are so useful. ठीक है?